This little solar-powered steam engine or train engine has been riding around on top of this cheese box for about 7 years now. And I'll show you how it works. Here are the solar cells. And underneath of the engine is a ball bearing. And there's the train depot. And if we open the top, inside is a little motor with a magnet on an arm and a circuit that makes the sound of the train. But what do we have here? They look like coils to an old radio. Hello, today is December 14th, 2022, and it's my birthday. About 6 weeks ago I got a package in the mail. It was a pretty big box. It had a radio in it and a bunch of radio parts and this letter, which reads in part, October 25th, 2022. Dear Mike, enclosed are the supplies and the radio as promised. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas a few months in advance. Enjoy the time with Andrea and your loved ones because, as you know, it flies. Warm regards, your friend, Vic. And this is the radio that Vic sent in the box.
Wow, is that a frickin' ocean hopper?
An ocean hopper.
Yes, it's a frickin' ocean hopper.
Wow.
Cool.
You open this door to change the coils. Here's one of the coils.
Let's see under the chassis.
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 I replaced 9 capacitors and a resistor under here.
It looks original.
The top of the chassis.
Chassis.
The vacuum tubes are a 35W4 rectifier, a 12AT6 detector, and a 50C5 amplifier.
Look, he's hooking up a speaker.
The antenna is just a long wire.
This is the long wave coil, but the only thing I've ever heard using this coil are the letters R and B in Morse code over and over again.
He's touching the wires.
Don't touch the wires.
This is the coil for the AM broadcast band. We'll use this one to demonstrate the radio.
Stop touching the wire.
So this is the AM broadcast band.
Carry the scars of war. We do carry the scars of pain, as my dad carried that from Vietnam. And part of remembering them, at least in my world, for sure, is...
I'm already bored.
Let's get on with it.
Honored in D.C., these are the officers who defended the U.S. Capitol as the mostly white MAGA mob got into the building. Capitol Police Officer Eugene Goodman, the black officer credited with diverting the crowd as officials, including Vice President.
Of Christ, and to bring to light for all what is the plan of the mystery
hidden from ages past in God, who created all things, so that the manifold wisdom of God might now...
Warnock, our communist pastor, who owns buildings that eject people from it that can't afford rent, so unlike what he talks about. Of course, it was James Wood who said this past week, Monte Carlo, along with exclusive special events focused mostly on 2024. There's an exclusive the last few years is that it's not just about COVID anymore.
Right now, we know that masks do work for other respiratory viruses as well. So if you're so inclined, we really
Wake me when this is over.
This guy has exhibited bravery, and he has a sense of how to capture the media. The danger is now that time has made him the person of the year, is we continue to be bludgeoned into thinking that we have to give them an unlimited budget and/or and my predicative. I said insightful person, and then I said they. Okay, I just didn't want to go his or her. I should have gone his.
Now we've changed the coil. The coil that's in here will cover the 40-meter shortwave band.
The until there leads us in Daniel 7 to the time when judgment was.
Wake me when this is over.
Radio Televisión Martí se comunicó con el director del centro hospitalario, Pavel Noah.
People don't get sick. Some people, they find prions in them, but not a lot. Spike protein prions. But a certain percentage of people, it causes an autoimmune response that kills you before you leave the vaccine center. Most folks die within 2 weeks that do die, at least in the short term. Unbelievable. Just some people, it just grows wild in them, and they get to the corner, and the corner just, even in like 20-year-old men and women who are healthy, they just pull out. Opening portals to hell and letting more demons out. And these things do happen. In fact, there's a certain satanic ritual that goes on during that time. Okay, because they want to get as much. Ooh, I tell you, it had a string of zeros over down the right of it. You know, it had 5, and then a little comma, and 0.
Well, that's how an ocean hopper sounds. Thanks for watching.
And listening.
Listening to the frickin' ocean hopper.
That was, like, way cool.
Way cool. See ya.
Bye.